Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G34 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. Now to create a new folder on your home screen, you should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And by this way we could see that we just successfully created a new home screen folder, and also we could add here more apps. If you wanna give a name or rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one. To move here folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To remove application from here, hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. Also you could hold it and drag it to remove icon if you want to remove the app from the home screen and from the folder. And also if you want to remove the application with the folders, hold it and drag it to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.